Welcome to my channel, Becoming Bev. I'm here in Almosa, Colorado at an event called Gutted. I'm walking across the street and I hear somebody yell, Bev! And it's my friend Aaron. Aaron and I met a couple of years ago down in Mexico, and I didn't know he was gonna be here. He didn't know I was gonna be here. And so I get to share his awesome box truck with you. Aaron, tell me year, make, model, like what's the story here?
It's a 2001 E450. It's a 7.3 power stroke diesel. It's got 50,000 miles. I bought it empty, with no windows or nothing, and I just built it out.
Sweet.
Like I would a van, but easier because it's a box truck.
Right? So since Aaron built his box truck out, he's gotten into the van conversion business, and you're doing that full time, right?
Yeah, well I started that like 4 years ago. I built this out in April.
Okay.
Recently, yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
And if somebody wanted to find you, how would they find you?
Renegadevans.com or on Instagram, Renegade Vans.
I can't wait to show you inside. So when he opened the back door and I looked inside, I was like, wow.
Yeah. It's a contrast, the outside and
Right?
the inside.
But that's the best, like when you look at the outside and then you fully don't expect what's going on in there.
For sure, yeah.
All right, will you take me in and show us around?
Yep. Swivels around and the whole thing comes off. Usually I just tuck it out of the way like that. But this whole device is a Lagoon arm, and it all comes off so you can get to the storage under here. I ordered one cushion the wrong color.
Oh no.
Underneath here is my electrical system. 200 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. 2000 watt inverter.
Okay, so you have your Renogy,
Yeah.
your
That's the
inverter.
And then down there's a shore power converter box.
Okay.
And the charge controller's back there. And a bunch of wires and breakers.
So you're totally set up for shore power or boondocking?
Yeah, pretty much. Usually the solar is enough for me. I had 300 watts of solar. One panel got stolen while I was at the airport. It's now I have 200, but it's enough still.
Oh no.
I was at the airport for like 2 weeks, this was. But turns out I don't need that much.
You've got a full-size bed there?
Yep.
Nice.
Full size, it's like, I think 8-inch.
So it's very comfortable, I'm sure.
Comfortable, yeah.
All right, now show me around your little kitchen setup here. It's really pretty.
This is acacia wood, butcher block countertop. So I cut a little deal for the sink. I built a towel rack with some copper pipe here. And I use extra countertop for this windowsill.
That's pretty. That's a pretty finishing touch.
Yeah, bunch of storage in here, all my stuff. These drawers are pretty big.
Wow, they are.
Yeah. I actually haven't used all the storage in here. Like I haven't maxed it out.
That's so good. Like I
unusual.
find that I need to leave stuff empty because I collect things along the way.
Yeah.
And if I have everything packed full, I don't have anywhere to put it.
Yep. I have room to collect stuff.
Perfect.
Uh,
So I like your little nooks up there.
yeah, these guys.
Yeah.
So yeah, this wall was pretty thick. It's just the box truck wall. I added a little to it. So there's room to put in these nooks. It's nice to have this wall because that way you can keep all the heat and the light from the cab from coming through. So it keeps it a lot cooler in here. And in the winter it'll help to keep the heat in. That's the shower. It's like 2 by 4 feet almost.
It's
Might be like
huge.
40 inches.
That's the biggest shower I've ever seen in a rig.
Yep, it's the biggest one I've ever put in a rig. And I'm a fan up here for the exhaust. Usually I don't do showers in rigs because it's like vans usually, but I didn't really have to compromise on this one.
Right.
Because there's so much space, so I went for it. Pretty much drains directly into like a 45-gallon gray water tank. The fridge is usually here, but I had to send it back
And now
to
it's-
get it fixed, so now I have this.
Now
But
it's
there's
the
like
ice
a
chest.
fridge that opens up like this, but it stopped working, so I returned it.
Okay.
Waiting for him to give me a new one. There's some storage here. I built a shelf under the bed. All these like panels come out so that I can get to the heater and everything if I need to work on it. Shelf for some books, whatever else. Most of my clothes are up here. It's like a closet where I can hang stuff up in a mirror. My shoes down there.
So, Aaron, what is your favorite part about your build?
The shower's nice. Before I would always just shower at the gym or whatever. So I pretty much live outside my shop where I build vans. Having the space, I think, to not feel cramped and keep everything from being super messy feeling and cluttered and like claustrophobic. Probably the space, really.
I mean, it looks like a little apartment in here, like a little
It's like-
efficiency
yeah.
apartment.
Yeah,
It feels like so much room.
it's plenty of room, yeah.
If you had one thing to do that you'd do differently, what would that be?
I'd make the floor darker because it gets so dirty. Like I've done enough of these that I kind of had like a pretty good idea of what I wanted.
You have a Max Air fan up there.
You have 2 Max Air fans. If I wasn't in Colorado, I'd get an AC. This is nice. It's compressed air valves. They're just Schrader valves, so I can blow out the whole system to winterize it. So I haven't done a winter yet, and I'm hoping I can get like pretty far into winter before things freeze up. But if I can tell they're gonna start freezing up, I'll blow everything out.
What would you say the advantages are to living like this compared to like sticks and bricks or renting an apartment?
I mean, the obvious one is you're not paying rent. You know, after you get over the cost of like buying the vehicle and the materials you put into it, you're not paying rent. You can move around. It's just, you can go camping whenever you want. It's nice. Like, I never am gonna go somewhere and like forget something because all my stuff is here. Like, that doesn't happen anymore. But for me, I was just tired of throwing money at rent.
Are you doing any traveling or are you pretty much stationary?
Yeah, what I'm starting to try to figure out the logistics of is like doing basically like house calls. So taking this with all my tools like I have now and showing up to someone who has a build they're working on somewhere in Colorado for now or across the country if it works out. So I'd be doing that, like traveling to the job rather
fun.
than bring the van to me. And if it works out, I'd get like a cargo trailer and have like a little mobile workshop. But for now, I'm kind of just booking jobs like around Denver.
You've got quite the tool collection going on back here.
Yeah, I brought all my tools for people working on their own vans at the show because we're here 5 days and a lot of people have like builds in progress. So I'm like the guy they come to for advice, or I just helped some lady fix her electrical system that wasn't working. So just like things that are tricky to figure out on your own. Like I do it for a living, so I'm here to help, basically.
That's awesome. Thank
Yeah.
you for doing that.
I'm stoked to be here.
Yep.
Usually there aren't all these tools here, and you can see better, but behind that's 55 gallons fresh water. And back there's a heater, heats the air and the water. It runs off propane or electric. You can like set the ratios, like how much propane or how much electric you want to use. So it's pretty cool.
So we're on the roof deck of Aaron's box truck and check out the sunset. So Aaron, thank you so much for sharing your rig with me. And I still think it's so cool that we just randomly happen to be here,
Yeah,
you
it's
know,
weird.
same time, same place, second time in our lives. Yeah. So thank you for watching. You keep watching, I'll keep posting content.